And right now we need to create a on-click listener for this add new product button. So let us create right now add new product button dot set on-click listener. We need to create a method for it. That is, we are going to create verify info. We can name anything we want. Verify info. So we can verify it right now. So we need to create this method, create method. Here what we are going to do is we need to create a if method. If image URI is equal to null, we need to display a toast message of please upload product image. So and else if what we want to do is we need to check for all these 6 edit text whether it is written something or not, and we need to verify it. So for that what we are going to do is we are going to get these text and convert it to strings. So we need to create 6 string variables, and it is right here. I have written those names: name, description, price, weight, duration, and usage. If not here, it's here. It's if text is dot is empty of first thing is name. If the name is empty, we need to display a toast message. Please write product name, and we can copy this for other 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, name, and we have description, price, usage, and duration, and we have, I think it's duration is already there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what is missing? Weight. Yeah, weight is missing. We need to add the weight, and for this one is duration, and here it is usage, it is price, description, and name. Yeah, it's now perfect. Now we need to create else method. For this we need to create an else method of what we need to create is, wait a minute guys, let me see. Here we need to create, yeah, we are going to create one more method for it to store those product information. Store product information. We're going to create it right now. Not the, yeah, yeah. We have created this method, and right now here what we are going to do is we are going to create a calendar, and here we have to forget the equal to sign. Calendar dot get instance. We need to get the instance of the calendar, and we need a simple date format, and here we are going to give the current date. We're going to receive the current date. Simple date format of the pattern is month, day, and we're going to get the year. Yeah, it is 4y. And for this, what we are going to do is, and we are going to save this date, we are going to create a string variable, two string variable for date and time as well as. So here we can, yeah, it's never assigned. We have forget your thing, guys. So we need to create name equal to input name dot get text dot to string. So we need to do this. Right now I have seen the warning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Name, description, price, usage. We have duration and we have weight. And here we need to write input description, input price, input usage, input duration. To get some variable name, we can type like this. For getting input weight, we can type I for input and W for weight, like this. Now it won't show some, yeah, now it's okay. Here now we need to create, we need to save the date, save current date, and we need to save the time also, save current time. Now it's okay. Now we can save it as string, save current date equal to, we need to get the current date, that is this one, current date, and dot format, that is this calendar, dot get time. We need to get the time using the calendar function, and we need to do the same for time also. For time, you can paste it right here, it is current time, and here also you need to change it to current time, and here we need to save, change it to save current time, and the format of the time is, let me say guys, hour, and it's minutes and it's seconds. And to indicate whether it is AM or PM, we are going to add a variable called A. And why we are doing this is, wait a minute guys, let me say you, we are going to string, where it is, we are going to create one more string, that is product random key. The product random key contains the addition of this date and time, that is, let me show you, equal to save current date plus save current time. Yeah. And why we are doing this product random key is, for each seconds, the only thing which is changing constantly is the time. So on the particular second, only one user can upload the product to the database. Since we are uploading it as admin, the time will be changing constantly. So we are getting the current date and time of the mobile phone from the mobile phone, and we are changing it as ID for the particular product, and we are uploading that ID and the product as product in Firebase. So now we need to save it in the Firebase storage. For that we need to do something, private storage, it is storage reference equal to product image ref. what we are going to do here is product image reference equal to, we are going to use the Firebase storage right here. Firebase storage dot get instance for get reference dot child. The child will be product images. That is the all the product which are uploaded by the admin will be stored under this folder. We can see it right here. Let me show you. It will be saved in storage. That is, here one more folder will be created as product images, and all the product images will be stored right there. And after this, what you're going to do is, let me show you guys where it is. Yeah, here it is. We are going to create a one more final storage reference. It's not capital F, it's small f. That's what the error is. Storage reference, it is file path. We are going to create a unique file path for each of the images which we are going to upload. So for that, we are going to get it from the product image, that is from that folder, and we need to, the child is image URI, that is not image u, image URI dot get last segment. Get last segment is nothing but the some traces of file which are present in the gallery of the user's phone. That is, we are going to make it so unique, so no two images will be of same name. Plus, we are going to add the product random key, and we are going to make it as .jpg format. And yeah, that's it guys. And now we need to do the upload task. That is, we need to upload the image. Upload task equal to file path, that is this one, file path dot put file. We need to put the file, that is URI, which is image URI. Yeah, that's it. For after uploading it, we need to get the URL. For the URL, what we are going to do is, let me say first, we need to first add the failure listener. That is easy, so we are going to do it first on failure listener. If the task is failed, what we want to do is we need to display the error message, which is E. So for that, we need to convert it to string exception. Otherwise, yeah, exception will be great. E dot toString. After this, we are going to display a toast message, and the error is, we are going to display the error as, suppose if the internet is off or something like that, any problem, we can display a toast message like this. And what we are going to do is, that's it. And now we need to add on success listener. If the image is uploaded successfully, we need to get the URL name, that is URL of that image, and we need to upload it to the Firebase database, that is real-time database, so we can fetch it from the real-time database and we can display it to the user. So to do that, we need to click on new on success listener, and here we want, what we want to do is, if the task is successful, we can say product image uploaded successfully. Yeah, product image is uploaded successfully. And to get that URI, that is URL, I can show you which one it is. You can go to any images, go to any image, and you can see that not here. This is the token, that is download URL. You can see it right here, download URL. To get this URL, what we want to do is, we need to create a task of URI. We need to press Alt plus Enter to import the class. It is URL task. Whatever bin name you can keep it. Upload task dot continue with task. We need to continue with the task. What we want to continue is new. What it is we need to press on enter. Here what we want to do is just close it. What we want to do is if not task dot is successful. If the task is not successful, what we want to do is we need to throw the exception, throw task dot get exception. We need to throw the exception. Otherwise what we want to do is download. Wait a minute guys, let me just look on it. Download image URL. Then we can create a string for it. String download image URL equal to file path dot get download URL dot to string. Yeah, we are going to save it as string. We need to return something. Return file path dot get download URL. Yeah, this is what we are going to do. After that, what we are going to do is wait a minute, guys. Let me say you. We are going to add on complete. We can just add a semicolon here, and here we need to add on complete listener. Add on complete listener equal to new complete listener. So here what we want to do is if the task is successful, what you can do is we can get the download. I mean, we can just remove it. Download image URL can be returned at the top, so we can use it everywhere. Download image URL. I hope now the error should be gone. Yeah, download image URL. Download image URL equal to task dot get result. We need to get the result of it. We need to get the result and we need to convert it to string. That is, we need to get that link of the image and converting it to string, and we can display a toast message. What we can do is got the product image URL successfully. If it is not get, it won't be displayed in the user's view, so it is very important. So after getting this image URL, what you can do is we can save the product info to the database. Save product info to database. We can now create this method, and here what we are going to do is we are going to upload it to the database. Yeah. Okay. We need to create a database reference. That is, this is storage reference. We need to create now database reference. Database reference. We can call it as product ref. So the product ref should be under this product. It is not product. It is not capital. It is small. Let us keep it as small. product ref equal to Firebase database. It is database, that is storage dot get instance dot get reference dot. We are going to save it under a child, which will be called as products. Let me show you guys. Let it load. Let us complete this tutorial. We need to, here is also a semicolon as needed. And here what we are going to do is we need to create a hash map function. Hash map. Hash map of, it should, every time a hash map contains a string and object, yeah, that is, we are going to upload the string. We can just name anything, product info equal to new hash map, new hash map. So what we are going to do is we are going to upload all the information now. We need to put the product ID, which will be called as PID, as product random key, and we can just copy paste it. Copy paste it for, we can paste randomly. I think enough, it's enough. Now we can save the date. Date will be called as save current date. We can upload everything to the database, guys. And time is save current time. And description, make sure the spelling is right, guys, because it will be uploaded to database. We can description, and after description we have images, yeah, it is download image URL, which is also a string. And we have category, we need to upload the category so we can get the category also. Category, it's not that category, it's category name. After this we have price, and it is called as price. Name can be called as name, and we can call the name as name. And we have weight will be called as weight. And we have usage. And I think what else is balances 1 2 3 4, duration, yeah, duration is missing. Duration will be called as duration, yeah, that's what we needed. And I think that's all, guys. Yeah, all the information of the product will be uploaded to database. That is, we have a product random key, date, time, and description, image, category, price, name, weight, usage, duration. We have all these. And what we are going to do right now is we are going to upload it to database, that is product reference. Make sure it is database reference. It is database reference product ref dot child. We are going to create for a child of it, that is product random key will be the child of each product. Dot update children, we are going to update the children, which is product info, which is this one. And we are going to create an add on complete listener, yeah, it is add on complete listener. If the task if the task successful is successful, what we can do is intent equal to new intent of, right now we are in admin add new product activity dot this to, we can send the admin to admin category activity dot class, not calls, it is class, and we can end it. We can start the activity of intent, it is intent. So then what we can do is else part is remaining, if then else we can get the same, we can display the what it is, we can display the error for the user, that is for admin task dot get exception dot to string, we need to get the exception and convert it to string, and the toast message is error, and we can pass it plus e, it's not e, I hope so, what it is message, yeah, forget guys, it is message. And right now it is over. Now what you can do is, while the user is uploading the product, we can display a what it is dialog box, product dialog box. Let me show you guys. Private dialog box, which dialog box is progress dialog, yeah, this is the one. Progress dialog equal to loading bar, loading bar, loading bar, we need to assign it to new this progress dialog of this, yeah, we need to set the context of it, where we can set the loading bar as, we can set it right here above this calendar. So it will be loading bar dot set title, you can set the title is what you can set as, wait a minute guys, what you can set as uploading product, we can set whatever we want, and loading bar dot set message, we can say it as please wait while we are uploading the product to database, and we can set the on set cancelled on touch outside, it should be set to false, otherwise if the user clicks, if the admin clicks outside, it will be cancelled. So loading bar dot show, we can show it. So if the upload task is failure, we can just dismiss it, the loading bar dot dismiss, and where else we need to on, and where we want to dismiss is, and we need to dismiss it right here only, if the getting the URL is, it is not e, it is exception, and if we get the URL of the product, we can what do is, it will come to this function, and this function gets executed, so we can make it here loading bar dot dismiss, that is if the everything is uploaded successfully, we can just dismiss it, and we can also display a toast message for it. You can display a toast message. Product is added successfully. Yeah, and here we need to add a semicolon. It seems so. And here also we need to dismiss the loading bar. Dot dismiss. And make sure you have added the internet connection. Like here, we need to get the permission for internet, and we need to also get the permission for reading and writing the external storage, because we need to read it from the phone's gallery and we need to upload it to database. So right now it is over, guys. So let me check the app in real device and show you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Meet you soon.